What's the meaning of best? Best. Best.
Best. Best. The term best is subjective and can be interpreted differently based on individual perspectives. It generally refers to something that is superior in quality, performance or achievement when compared to other similar items or circumstances. The concept of best often implies a level of excellence that is hard to surpass or replicate. It can be used to describe a variety of things such as the best car, the best meal, the best athlete, the best movie, the best book, etc. However, the definition of what constitutes as the best can vary depending on cultural, personal, or societal factors. Ultimately, the concept of best is a measure of superiority or excellence in a particular category.